Hello and welcome to a new episode of Carlube TV. Today is a very sad day. Why? Because the M3 is going to be sold. As I said in the intro, the M3 is going to be handed over to its new keeper today. With that in mind, I would like to share some M3 memories with you all, like a homage to this amazing car. I started producing videos for YouTube nearly 4 years ago, and my M3 has been on the channel from the beginning. It's appeared on various videos over the years, it's been modified to my taste, maintained with sweat, blood and tears. Not always my sweat, blood and tears. I love gripping that modded Alcantara steering wheel, lowering the roof so that I can listen to that V8 in all its glory. If you haven't experienced one of these cars, you really should do one day. Video doesn't do the sound justice, but you should at this point turn up the volume and enjoy the V8 sounds this M3 makes. If you want to see more on this M3, I have set up an M3 playlist on my channel. We will start from the beginning when I first collected the car. I was instantly in love, but it was a bit quiet for my liking. A place I got quite used to, filling up for the first time. A day into ownership and I had a 2.5 OEM mod carried out on the exhaust to solve the volume issues. I took the M3 to work to show off. Obviously, a rev battle happened. A little bit tame, but there was people working upstairs.
One day they're going to be like, oh! I mean, I would imagine it would make you jump if you weren't expecting it, because, I mean, the noise that comes out the back of this car is loud. It's a loud car.
That would make me jump, yeah.
Yeah, well, you have to show restraint. I mean, I did a couple of calculations beforehand, and that was dry. I could see plenty of. I need at least 10 metres to get round it.
That was not restraint.
One of the numerous club meets I attend, the guys checking out my new blacked out bonnet vents. As usual, with the roof down, heated seats on. And blast off. This was at Silverstone for a Piston Heads meet. We found an empty runway to have a play on. Traction control limiting power there, I think.
You went on the wrong side. Mini drag race. So you go on the right of him, yeah? And I'll go on the left. So when I say 3, 2, 1, we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
I might have slightly cheated there. Here at my mate's shop having a speed sensor changed. All done, time to test it. Seemed to be working just fine. The M3 had just been painted and detailed. Time to enjoy another cold start. Arriving at a buddy of mine, Mumbrae Motorsports, to have a lip spoiler fitted. All done, time to test it. Today was lowering day, and as you can see, I was excited to get there.
And the strut is back together.
IBAC springs fitted, but how low did she go?
That is definitely lower, James.
I was very happy with the lowered stance.
Dude. What are you doing? Get out of shot.
Trying to make it clear for you.
What, does that cobweb really matter?
This was the day I changed my headlights for M4 style ones.
You got your angelizer on, and I don't know, there's a little orange light in the top right corner.
Yeah. Okay.
My buddy Lee does have a dodgy incline on his driveway. I was nervous after coming up if I'd struggle getting back down.
It's the back.
And this was the result. The offside wheel was touching the bumper. Not happy. There was only one thing for it. I'd have to send it. The rear wheel actually left the ground while the horrible rubbing sounds were being made. That was the last time I attempted that driveway in the M3. A week after lowering and the ride height had now settled, time for an alignment. There was a slight rubbing on the rear from my fat tyres. Time to test if it was fixed, and, of course, enjoy some V8 sounds once again. So as I said in the beginning of this video, the M3 is now sold, the Carlube M3. But it's going to a good home with its new owner.
Very good home it is.
Hello, mate.
Hiya.
Are you happy with your purchase?
Very happy. Very
Good.
happy. Yeah, it was a long road, but we got there.
And you've got some plans for it as well, haven't you?
Oh yeah.
Well, you'll have to keep us all informed, and perhaps we'll talk about it again on the channel in the
Definitely.
future. But it is definitely the end of an era. The car's going now. 6 years.
You emotional?
I am.
You can come and visit anytime you want, I told you.
It's sad. I won't be able to hear that V8 roar ever again.
Yeah.
Unless I come around and borrow the car.
Yeah, you can borrow it anytime you want.
That's on camera, by the way. Nice one, mate. Well, I'll wish you off, and we'll see you off down the road.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching, guys. Just enjoy it. How's that for you, mate?
Yeah.
All good?
Brilliant.
Lovely job. There's the keys.
Waited a long time.
There we go. Enjoy it, mate. See you later. See ya. In this episode, we've got quite an interesting touring car inspired E36 BMW M3. I'm going to install these new headlights onto the front of my M3. I have fancied a change from the dimly illuminated OEM halos, which, as you will see in this video, struggle to distribute light evenly.